In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Facebook using Make.com. By the end, you'll have a simple scenario that publishes a post to your Facebook page right from Make, and you'll understand the key options so you can do it confidently. Start by opening Make and signing in. On the dashboard, look for the button to create a new scenario. This opens the visual canvas where you'll add the building blocks of your workflow. In the app search, type Facebook and choose the Facebook Pages app. That's the one that works with page publishing as opposed to personal profiles or other Facebook products. From the list of actions, select Creates a Post. This tells Make exactly what you want it to do. Next, connect your Facebook account. Click Add Connection. Give the connection a clear, memorable name so you can reuse it later without confusion. Save, and a Facebook window will pop up asking you to continue and grant permissions. Approve the requested access to manage and publish to your pages. These permissions are required for Make to post on your behalf. You can always review or remove them later in your Facebook settings. Back in Make, choose the specific Facebook page you want to publish to. You'll now see fields for your post content. Add your caption in the text box. Keep it natural and concise, and make sure it reflects your brand voice. Avoid excessive hashtags or special characters that might reduce reach. If you're sharing a URL, paste it into the link field. Facebook typically generates a preview from the link's metadata, so using a clean, shareable link helps your post look professional. If your link preview doesn't look right, check the source page's title, description, and image. When your fields look good, click Save on the module to store your settings. On the scenario canvas, use Run Once to test the setup. This executes the action immediately with the values you entered. Watch for a successful run indicator in Make, then check your Facebook page to confirm the post appears as expected. If you see an error, verify that your Facebook user has permission to post on the selected page, that you approved all required permissions during the connection step, and that your link and caption meet Facebook's content guidelines. That's it. You've created a straightforward Make scenario that publishes a post to your Facebook page. Save your scenario so you don't lose your configuration, and you're ready to repeat the process whenever you need a quick, reliable page post.